Hi everyone. Okay, so we're covering muscle tension today in the shoulders. So if you have muscle tension, maybe you sit at a desk all day, or maybe you carry a baby around all day, nursing and things like that, and you have a lot of muscle tension. This is gonna be something really good for you to help with that and to give you some sort of instant relief. Another thing to remember is that when you are doing your gua sha, most of the time we've been doing it really gentle, being really kind to our skin. But when we're doing muscles, we do want to give it a little bit more pressure. So don't be afraid to give it some more pressure. But do remember that it can leave marks. So, and that's okay when you're doing muscles and stuff like that. But just be mindful of that. I've applied my oils already. You want to apply your oils around your chest and your hairline, down your shoulders, and back, so that you can do this routine. I have used frankincense today with some carrier oil. You can use yar palm, you can use frankincense, wintergreen would be good, past tense. You can even throw in some copaiba on top of those oils, because that will actually drive in those oils a little bit more. So choose your oil and go ahead and oil it. And I'm going to start with my rounded side of my stone. And I'm just gonna start at the middle of my chest, and I'm pushing. Now, we don't normally push, but this time I'm gonna push. You're just pushing this way. And really focus on your breathing. Like I said, you can give it more pressure than we have been, so that you're really driving it in there and getting those muscles. So just 10 to 20 times. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go in the back, starting in the hairline, and we're just going down the shoulder. All right, still using that rounded edge. So coming in the hairline, going down the shoulder. "10 to 20 times, this one. Focusing on your breathing. And next we're gonna you're still using the round side, I'm gonna kind of cup it. We're gonna go a little further back, right in the hairline, closer to the back of the head, and we're just gonna sweep out. So, like this. Just breathing, giving your muscles a chance to take a break. Do that 10, 20 times. You can do it on both sides if you want to. If you want to focus on one side, that's okay too. I typically would want to do both sides just to even things out. But that's about it. And make sure you're drinking lots of water.